Hi, greetings everyone. In this video we will see how to organize the tasks in a task list. As you build and manage your project, you should probably end up reorganizing the tasks in your task list. You can change their outline levels, move them to a different summary task, or delete the tasks you don't need. If you have similar work in the different portions of the project, you can copy the tasks too. Well, changing the outline level depends really on where our task is in the outline. For example, identify the costs in a summary task, then it has the subtasks, identify the additional costs. That was the example. This is my project in front of me. I want that the secure foundation permit should be a part of the residential construction and it should be along with the apply for the permits. So I will click on the Outdent tab here in the task bar. So now this will act as a part of residential construction. So no more it will be a summary task, subtask. Now say I want that foundation should be the subtask for the site work. For that I will use the indent task here. So now this will act as a part of site work. You can also move the tasks to another location in the project. For example, let's look at the clear and grub lot. It turns out that really need to be down under foundation. Well, the first thing I am going to do is I will click the white triangle so I can see all the subtasks, and then I am going to select the headed arrow, and that tells me I can drag these tasks somewhere else in the project. So select the tasks that you want to move. You can right click and say copy, and you can place it wherever you want it to appear. I'll right click. Say I want that those 3 lines should be displayed below the conduct rough and plumbing inspection. So there you can right click and paste the data. Now here say if I want to delete this task, will I be able to do? It is telling me that continue, delete, finalize the plans and development, estimate, and it's a subtasks. If I try to delete the project task, will I be able to do? No. What it is giving me? It is giving me you cannot delete or modify a project summary task. A project summary task summarizes your entire project. You can change its wordings, attach a note to it, and hide or show it, but you cannot delete it. Link it to a task, assign non-budget resources to it, or perform the other actions that you can only perform on the summary tasks and subtasks. To hide the project summary task, click the project summary task on the format tab. The only thing that you can do with this is you can hide the project summary task because it is the summary task for the entire project, and if you want to delete it, you need to delete all the rest of the subtasks to delete the project summary task. So I will hide this if I don't require it, and if you require it, you can check this out. Since the summary task acts as a parent task, you cannot delete unless and until you delete the child tasks. So first of all, you need to delete all the subtasks, and then you can delete the summary task. The project has plenty of tools for organizing your task list. You can use them anytime you want during the planning or once the project gets underway. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.